everyone, and welcome back to Smart English Talk, your friendly podcast where learning English feels natural, simple, and hopefully a little fun too. I'm Emma, your warm British teacher for today, and with me, as always, is our favorite curious learner, Jack.
Hello. Happy to be here as always. And Emma, you said today we're talking about something exciting. I think I heard celebrations?
Yes. Today's episode is all about birthdays and celebrations, one of the most common conversation topics in daily life. Whether you're meeting new people, chatting with friends, or speaking to colleagues, birthdays always come up. And celebrations are such a lovely way to connect with others.
Oh, absolutely. And also, cake. Cake connects people.
Yes, definitely. And in this episode, we'll teach you how to ask about birthdays, talk about your plans, describe past celebrations, and even invite someone to a party using polite English. By the end, you'll be able to talk about birthdays and celebrations with confidence, even if you're at a beginner or intermediate level.
And I think we also have some funny stories coming, right?
Yes, Jack, we do. Some of yours are interesting.
That sounds like I've done something embarrassing.
You have, but we'll get to that later.
Brilliant.
Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to Smart English Talk so you never miss a lesson. And if you're watching this on YouTube, hit the like button. It helps more English learners find us. All right, let's get started. Okay, Jack, let's start with something simple. How do you ask someone about their birthday?
The most common question is, when is your birthday? And another one is, what do you usually do on your birthday?
Nice and simple. Emma, can I test you?
Go ahead. When is your birthday?
My birthday is in March.
Ah, yes, the month of unpredictable weather.
Exactly. Sunshine 1 minute, rain the next. Your turn. When is your birthday, Jack?
Mine is in September, and I love it. Not too hot, not too cold, perfect for outdoor parties.
Lucky you. Here are some other useful phrases. Do you like birthday parties? Do you prefer something quiet or something big? How do you usually celebrate? Let's show our listeners how this sounds in conversation.
Jack, how do you usually celebrate your birthday? Well, I normally go out for dinner with my family, and I always eat too much. That's my tradition.
Sounds like a good tradition.
What about you? Do you prefer a quiet birthday or a big party?
I prefer something simple, maybe a nice dinner with friends. I'm not a big dance until midnight person.
Oh yeah, I can't imagine you dancing wildly.
Trust me, you don't want to see that.
Talking about birthday plans.
Right. Next part, birthday plans. Here are some common things people do. Go out for dinner, have a party, cut a cake, give and receive gifts, decorate the house, plan a surprise, go on a short trip, spend time with family or friends. We often use the phrase, I'm planning to. For example, I'm planning to go out for dinner. I'm planning to have a small party. I'm planning to travel. Important vocabulary. Celebrate, to do something enjoyable because it's a special day. Surprise, something unexpected. Turning, age, the age you will become. For example, I'm turning 25 next week. Blowing out candles is what you do on a birthday cake.
Oh, when you blow out candles and make a wish?
Exactly. So, Jack, what are you planning for your next birthday?
Well, I'm planning to have a very small party. Only close friends,
How many?
about 20.
Jack, that's not small.
Well, small for me.
Okay. And what are you going to do?
We're going to have a barbecue in the garden, lots of food, music, maybe some silly games.
Sounds nice. Do you want a surprise party?
No, absolutely not. I don't trust my friends. Their surprises are usually dangerous.
What happened last time?
They filled my entire living room with balloons, hundreds. I opened the door and balloons literally attacked me.
That sounds incredible.
It was like a balloon
Past
tsunami.
tense.
Now we'll talk about past birthdays. Here are some useful past tense phrases. Last year, I celebrated with.
I had a small gathering. Gathering equals a small group of people.
We went to a restaurant.
My friends surprised me.
I got a nice gift.
We stayed at home.
Let's give our listeners a sample conversation. Jack, how did you celebrate your last birthday?
Last year, I had a small gathering at home. We cooked dinner, played games, and chatted until late. It was really nice.
Did anyone surprise you?
Yes, my sister surprised me with a chocolate cake. My favorite.
Aw, that's sweet.
What about you? How did you celebrate last year?
Last year, I went to a restaurant with a few friends. We had a very relaxed evening. No balloons attacking me.
You should try it. It builds character.
Here are some practice sentences. Repeat after us.
Last year, I celebrated with my family.
I had a small gathering.
We went out for dinner.
My friends surprised me.
I got a nice gift.
Well done if you repeated with us.
All right, moving on to a fun part of any celebration, gifts. Jack, do you like giving gifts or receiving gifts more?
I like receiving gifts, but I pretend I enjoy giving them.
Very honest. Let's teach our listeners some useful phrases for talking about gifts.
Useful phrases. What kind of gifts do you like?
I bought her a book.
He gave me a watch.
They gave us some flowers.
I'm planning to buy him a gift.
I got her something special.
And if you want to keep the gift a secret, you can say, it's a surprise.
I can't tell you yet. Jack, what kind of gifts do you like?
Simple things. Books, gadgets, or food. Actually, yes, food is the perfect gift. If you ever want to make me happy, just give me snacks.
Good to know. And what was the best gift you ever got?
Oh, my best friend once bought me a small telescope. It wasn't expensive, but it was thoughtful. We spent hours looking at the stars.
That's lovely.
What about you, Emma? What kind of gifts do you like?
I like meaningful gifts, something with a story. One year, a friend gave me a small painting she made herself. It was so personal. I still have it hanging in my room. Listeners, an example
beautiful.
conversation.
Sure.
What kind of gifts do you like?
I like simple things. Books, games, maybe something funny.
Did you get any nice gifts last year?
Yes, my brother gave me a new watch, and my friends got me a cake.
Perfect. Easy phrases you can use in real life.
Inviting someone to a celebration.
Now let's talk about inviting people. Birthdays often involve inviting friends, classmates, or coworkers. Useful phrases. Polite invitations. Would you like to come to my birthday party? Do you want to join us for dinner? We're having a small celebration. Would you like to come along? Accepting invitations. I'd love to. That sounds great. Yes, I'll be there. Politely refusing. I'm so sorry, I can't make it. I'd love to, but I'm busy that day.
Yeah.
Thank you, but I
Would
already
you like
have
to come to my birthday dinner next month?
Oh, I'd love to. What are we eating?
I haven't decided yet. Probably something nice and simple.
As long as there's dessert, I'm in.
There will be dessert.
Perfect.
Now I'll invite you. Emma, we're having a small celebration this weekend. Would you like to come along?
Oh, that sounds lovely, but I'm so sorry, I've already made plans.
Oh, that's okay. Maybe next time. See? That's how you politely accept or decline invitations.
Other celebrations.
Now, birthdays aren't the only celebrations we talk about. Here are some other popular ones. Weddings, anniversaries, New Year's Eve, religious festivals, graduations, baby showers, cultural festivals, family celebrations.
Let's go through some simple examples. Weddings.
A wedding is when two people get married. Useful phrases. They're getting married next month. I went to a beautiful wedding. The ceremony was lovely.
I once went to a wedding where the cake was taller than the bride.
That
All right.
sounds time for some
Dramatic.
fun listener practice. I'll say a sentence and Jack will guess the meaning. Listeners, feel free to guess as well. I'm turning 20 next week.
It means next week you will become 20 years old.
Correct. Sentence 2. We had a small celebration.
It means you had a simple event, maybe with close friends or family, not a big party.
Exactly. Sentence 3. I got a nice gift.
You received something you liked.
Perfect. Now it's your turn, listeners. Write in the comments. How do you celebrate your birthday? Tell us about food, gifts, friends, anything. We love reading your answers. Let's quickly recap today's lesson. Today you learned how to ask about birthdays, how to talk about birthday plans, how to describe past celebrations, how to talk about gifts, how to invite someone politely, how to talk about other celebrations like weddings and festivals, and lots of real-life examples and phrases.
We also learned that balloons can be dangerous.
Yes, in your world. Before we finish, Jack, what's your favorite celebration?
I love New Year's Eve. Everyone feels excited, hopeful, and ready for a fresh start. And the fireworks are beautiful.
For me, it's birthdays because they're personal, meaningful, and a great excuse to eat cake.
Can't argue with that.
Thank you so much for listening to Smart English Talk, where learning English is fun and simple.
See you next time, everyone.
Bye for now.